The 2013 road construction season has been the largest in the department's history. Approximately 327 total projects were bid this year, with 200 of them being in central and eastern North Dakota. Approximately $878 million is being spent to rebuild and repair state highways, city, county, and township roads, build truck bypass routes, and other infrastructure upgrades across the state. In eastern North Dakota, the DOT has been keeping busy with a variety of projects. According to Grand Forks District Engineer Les Noehre, the district had a very large construction program.
Some of our bigger projects this year are reconstructing southbound I-29 from about Thompson to Buxton. It's a complete reconstruction, jointed concrete. Another big project is 10 miles of a concrete overlay on Highway 2 eastbound. We're milling off 7 inches of asphalt and replacing it with 7 inches of concrete. Another large project is almost 30 miles of asphalt paving on the interstate southbound lanes from the Canadian border to Drayton. We've done some concrete pavement repairs on that project, and now we need to overlay it with asphalt. And then we have a whole host of other projects. Urban project on 32nd Avenue South. We're doing some concrete pavement repair and grinding and asphalt overlay on a portion of it.
Other construction projects in eastern North Dakota included the conclusion of a multi-year grade raise project on North Dakota Highway 20, a construction project on US 2 near Rugby and Devil's Lake, as well as a project on US Highway 281 north of Church's Ferry to Candu. Continuing in the east were a number of pavement repair work projects on I-94 through Fargo and preventative maintenance work on the I-94 and I-29 interchange. Another one of the most high-profile projects completed in Fargo this year was painting of the pedestrian bridge over I-94. The once blue bridge received a fresh coat of green paint along with new safety fencing. Facilitating traffic movement on the interstate was a priority during this project, as the bridge spans 6 lanes of traffic and crews needed to close parts of the interstate for work on the bridge. Over in the Valley City area, crews were busy with a major project on 9th Avenue Northwest, which included construction of a wider roadway, new lighting, a shared use path, sidewalk, and retaining wall. Director Grant Levi said projects such as these are the result of strong support to enhance our state's infrastructure, as well as commitment by the agency's local government program.
That program is really put in place to work with communities to do projects like this one. To put them in place so we have a seamless connection to state highways and we have a strong transportation system in all parts of the state.
Another big accomplishment was the completion of a project on North Dakota Highway 26, replacing the bridge that crosses Lake Ashtabula near Sibley. The new bridge is 32 feet wide and was built in 2 phases to allow traffic flow during construction. Barnes County Commissioner Cindy Schwehr praised the department for their efforts.
We who live here know that this bridge is much more than a span across Lake Ashtabula. It's a symbol that draws our community together, and it re-energizes our spirit.
The south half and then the north half were constructed separately and then joined to become one bridge. This requires great detail during design and construction. This also accounted for the length of time required to build the structure, as it is essentially equivalent to constructing 2 bridges. To accomplish this, traffic traveled on 1 lane, alternating direction of travel while oncoming traffic was controlled by a traffic signal. The community of Sibley held a ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate the completion of the project. In central North Dakota, the Bismarck District worked on grade raises on North Dakota Highway 3 and North Dakota 200 in the Hertzfield area. Other projects included maintenance on US 83 from Strasburg to the South Dakota state line, North Dakota 21 from New Leipzig to Carson, and a widening and guardrail project across Garrison Dam. In western North Dakota, construction has been nonstop to address the transportation needs of the growing energy industry and oil country. About 330 miles of road work includes construction on area truck bypasses, a US 85 four-laning project from Watford City to Williston. This project includes 4 12-foot driving lanes divided by a 20-foot paved median. Ground was broken in late September for the US 85 truck bypass on the southwest side of Watford City. The bypass will take truck traffic out of the heart of Watford City, where about 3,700 trucks travel each day. Mayor Brent Sanford said the project will do wonders to alleviate traffic.
I believe that our cries have been heard. I believe that the needs are being addressed. Today is one of the most monumental things we can see happening here to help with probably the number one public safety concern and concern of the residents is the traffic, the overcrowding of our existing highway system, as would happen when you have 20 times more people around. This is not the fault of anyone who designed the existing system. It is just the result of this oil boom.
The bypass is expected to be completed at the end of the 2014 construction season. Governor Jack Dalrymple said the investments that are being made in western North Dakota will have a lasting impact on the entire state.
But this is the future of our prosperity for the whole state of North Dakota. This is where our future is going to come from. And we need to make these investments and support this area as they go through these incredible challenges.
Dickinson District Engineer Larry Gangl said they also had a record year for construction.
Yeah, as far as our overall construction budget this year, the amount of money that we're spending on our district roadways, typically, and that's probably about 3 to 4 years ago, we were in that $40 to $50 million range for our district. This year we're going to be right around $230 million spent on district roadways. So that's quite a large increase in just a few years.
Completing the work in the short construction season is a challenge experienced by all districts throughout the state. However, some projects are taking a unique approach.
The Highway 85 is a little bit unique in that all of our paving operations will be done at night. And we've done that mainly for a couple of reasons. One is there's a lot less traffic at night, so the traffic will get through safer. It'll be safer for the workers to do their jobs at night. So all of our paving operations along the Highway 85 corridor this year will be done with nighttime paving operations. The contractor, through the contract documents, can start paving at 6 p.m. and he has to have all of his equipment off the road by 6 a.m.
Further to the northeast, staff are kept busy with construction and other improvements, such as the opening of Minot's new 55th Street Bridge. The dedication marked the completion of the Northeast Bypass and Bridge project that created an east side bypass for motorists traveling on US Highway 83. The bridge provides a key overpass to carry traffic over the BNSF main line track and connect with the Northeast Bypass, and will improve access to the city's ag and energy parks, the Port of North Dakota Intermodal Rail Facility, and BNSF's rail complex. Work was also completed on a road grade raised by Max to help with constant flooding on this stretch of roadway. Work continues to progress on many projects throughout the state. It's because of the dedication of the employees of the DOT that we are able to deliver a product that continues to safely move people and goods.